Hey guys, Tornia, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be playing Granny. Let's click play. Hey guys, Tornia, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Granny. Okay, let's go to the basement. Hopefully she's not here. She's here. Okay, let's crouch. Okay. I should have known. I just didn't know where my mouse was because it went red. But yeah, okay. Wait, where should we go? That guy actually. I think I need to go there to get something. Never mind, okay. Granny's just gonna be here. She's gonna be here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Okay, he has a screwdriver. Yes. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wait. I know what this is for. Okay, wait. We need to cut some pliers. Oh. Whoa. Oh, we need that. I don't know what that is. Don't know, actually. Actually, I do, but now. Need all the Okay, I need all the clogs. Okay, let's go find the clogs. Okay, I know where the first one is. Okay, now it's there. It's not there. Okay, now let's go and get the first one. Okay, this is the third one, actually. That's the one that we need last. Okay, that's number 1. I think I might have to look up where the other one is, because I don't actually know. So annoying. Okay, let's look it up actually. Where is the second clog wheel in Granny Roblox? Clog wheel? What? Clog wheel. Wheel. Clog. Let's just do that. Okay, well then, I guess we don't know. Let's go there. Okay. You guys, this is creepy. Please be. I want to poop it out. What is that? Huh? Jeez. Granny's coming. Okay, let's see. Okay. I just don't know where that clog is. It's so annoying. I've said this like a million times, guys. I'm sorry. Where's the watermelon? We need to put it on here. Hey, Granny, put your head down here. Don't chop my head off, please. Let's see. Can we do anything with this? Clog wheel. Ooh, okay. Then we gotta find this ourselves. Okay, let's go. Let's get the screwdriver. Okay, we've got it. Okay, so we know where this is. Okay, we know where this goes. But yeah. Oh yeah, we were in the right way. Okay. Actually, I'm not going the right way. But you guys don't hear me because I'm going the wrong way. Okay, let's go this way. And let's go this way. This is the way. Hey! Crouch, you. Okay. Well, you guys, this is really, really, really hard. There we go. This is really hard. Let's just... third floor. Hello, handsome. He actually does look quite handsome if he didn't have the blood. Let's just... I don't know what to do with this, actually. I think there's like a crowbar that we put there. Oh, jeez. Hey, Slenderina. Okay, now let's take that. Now we know what those do. Let's try it out. What you know about me? My cat's got more views than your whole account. Wait, no, that's YouTube. I'm very sorry. Was that copyrighted? Was that copyright? Was it? YouTube, please don't ban my channel. Please, 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 please. I'm gonna get into trouble. Okay, I only said one line, so I might not get into trouble. I hope not. I hope so. Okay, but on that note, guys, I'm gonna end the video right there.